cool. 54, spiral matrix. Given a matrix m times n of m times n elements, return all elements of the matrix in spiral order. Okay, what's m and n? Oh man, they don't tell you. That's annoying. Oops. So you're 1, 2, 4, 8, 12 then. Is that a thing? Oh man, if that's the case. Uh, uh, that's that's what I love about Python. You could do anything in Python. Oh, but that's just rotation, right? Matrix notation probably. But but okay. I think this is fun. Okay. So how would I think about this? Dong, dong, dong. Yeah, and I think this is just a while loop maybe. Well, I mean, I guess that's trivially true, but okay. But yeah, let me. I think what I'm going to do is just well simulate the spiral, which is I don't know if there's a clear way to do it, but let's go top min is equal to C, well not top, row min maybe. No, row max is equal to matrix. Column min max is equal to matrix sub 0, assuming that. I feel like I screw that up sometimes. Okay. Okay. So x equals 0, y is equal to 0, say. And then now, let's go. What's the cleanest way to do it? I guess just manually, maybe. Right, go. No, that's right. Go away. Well, less than well, max. X, oh, wait, that's not right. Comments. And then once you get to the end, you go to the bottom. Right? Max. Yeah, maybe just. I mean, right now I'm thinking in terms of what I'm practicing with simulation versus what you call it, um, simulation versus what am I saying? Simulation versus mathy, and I think maybe I should just simulate them out. To be honest. Actually, this is common. Maybe that's the better way instead of me trying to be too fancy, especially if I'm doing interviews. There's an off by 1. Hang on. I'm aware. That's on the last one. So, right here. Oh man. Okay. I didn't even have that here. I was trying to find a way to fix it. But alright. Because now maybe it doesn't matter. Okay, fine. Okay. And now we just have to check that. That's not even make sense. Maybe it's a little later than I expected mentally. Hopefully I do this one quick and then, you know, we don't have to worry about it. But, oh, because then now y is at core max. Okay. I can make that like this, maybe. Woohoo! And bonus numbers. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 7, and then 9 again. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 8, 7. Okay. 6, 9. Why is this? That is 7. What's it do? Okay. We do loop. Excuse me, sorry. Sometimes I forget what's. Oh, I don't print the other stuff, so this is not as useful, but 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Why not a comment then? That's weird. Did I do the wrong variable? Because it is. But then now I might miss some letters or numbers or whatever. 1, 2, 3. 6, 9, 8, 7. Okay, maybe that's right. Except if I don't go right for some reason. Oh my god, this is gonna be so many off by ones. I'm already not confident about it. Ideally, this goes up. Oh, I guess maybe that's why I don't need this anymore. But that's a little weird about it. Well, I need it, just not there. Four. And now it's at 0, so... Oh, okay. Now, what does that mean? Um, Unfortunate. These are never true. Okay. Oh, yeah. I mean, essentially, that's kind of what I'm doing, though not in a very clean way. Yeah. But I unrolled that loop, essentially. But you can definitely, yeah, do like a wow x plus dx or y plus dy and stuff like that. I think I'm just off by weird places in general. I think I just had some off by ones the way I was doing it. Now it should be it here. But you're definitely right. Maybe I could clean this up. And here, actually, I might double count, but that's fine. I just want to make sure that I draw it right. So I'm going to double count corners, but make sure that my last case is okay. So I think I could do that. Guess I don't need this anymore. Okay. So yeah, as I expected, I double count corners, which is fine. Really double count corners here. Is it fine? I mean, yeah, I'm tired. Column, okay. But it's still double close to 1. That part's on it. But why did I get the... Oh, because of this. Loops all the way around. Okay. I can probably clean this up, but I want to make sure that I get something right before I clean it up. I could just get a linear way, but also this. Oh, yeah, because there's an array of array. Still, they could give you better errors though. But oh man, got this one wrong. Even a linear array I got wrong. Yeah. Oh my god, I hate these kind of problems. Which is why I need to practice them. But it is agony. 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 Why is there a 6? I don't even know if that's right. How do you go from that to returning nothing? Oh wait, I misread the output. Maybe I misread the output. No, I did not. Why is there an extra 6? Is it just more if statements? Maybe just more if statements. This is this part. Is that good enough? Yeah. Still not very confident about these, especially after last one. Just going to do a lot more test cases for this. I think I have to worry about the big ones, maybe. Yeah, okay, maybe. All right, YOLO. Is that what the kids say? Cool. Ah, and it's super fast apparently. Probably because I unrolled the loops and kind of count them one by one. Oh my god. Hey Joe for suggesting it. No, just kidding. Uh, how would I take roughly? 20 minutes. Yeah, I guess it's not, it's better than the other one. But yeah, the problem is with these, for me anyway, is that I'm notoriously bad at off by ones. And in these things, when you off by one, oh, there's just a lot of places to be off by one. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this problem. I mean, I personally don't like it, but I also feel like I've definitely seen maybe not this particular one. Well, I probably have seen this one before, but not in an interview. But I've also seen people giving it as an interview, like my colleagues giving it as an interview. So like, you know, let's see if you have something good. But otherwise, yeah. What the? Uh, that's pretty clean actually. Uh, yeah. I mean, I think I could have refactored. I think my problem. Don't. Yeah, I don't know. That's actually okay. That's oh, maybe I'll put it here. Yeah, that's actually way better. I think I was. I think it's maybe going back to what we were talking about with the other problem. We were talking about like math versus simulation. I think because of the other problem, I was just like, let me just simulate this, and then that's what I was essentially doing. Well, yeah, maybe we just do the math like you did, and then like mapping a number to a row and a column. Maybe that's better. And then you could just count. You could do counts that way, probably. But I did not do it that way though. But this is way cleaner, obviously, and I'll have to kind of study it offline. Um, but yeah, but I think for me, that's why I don't know as an interview problem. I mean, it's a good problem for like testing problem solving, I guess. But like, I generally like stuff that throws in a bit more of CS fundamentals, like maybe a binary search or sorting or something like that. So because of that, I this doesn't fit my criteria for a problem I ask. And there's a lot of clean code, and maybe if I do ask this question, I would kind of poke the candidate to kind of fill out all the test cases and stuff like that to make sure that to see what their thought process is. And definitely, I could have cleaned some of this code a little bit because it sounds like a problem that a lot of people are playing golf on. To be honest, like like you could definitely keep on uh, making the code smaller. I keep on saying smaller, but smaller or shorter. But hey, Hambo. But Well, yeah, for that problem, I probably don't. It's not my type of problem on an interview, but I've definitely, like I said, I've seen other people giving it. Maybe not like exactly the same though. But this one in concept is pretty like it's not that creative of a problem, right? Like it's just like, oh, give it a matrix, just do some way of playing around with the thing, like maybe go spiral or something. I don't know. So I think you could definitely see this on interviews. So definitely practice it. And even though I agonized while coding this. I still am happy that I did it. I think one problem that I would like if I were to self critique myself is that uh, uh, if the thought process is important as well. I think like I don't know if I dot points or whatever terminology is, but I definitely like you don't want to show your interviewer that like you're just trying 10 different things to see what works, which I kind of was, to be honest. But definitely like you want to feel like you're decisive and you know what you're doing, and that like if you were to debug everything is very quick. Which for these type of problems I'm very weak at that for that reason. So I don't know, but yeah, I mean, overall, it's still a medium, and I think like, no one has trouble understanding it. It's just coding it in a clean and uh, uh, error-free way. Yeah. Okay, cool.